Right. Welcome back to another backtesting video. We are in a new session because trade sellers just sometimes can be a little bit difficult and annoying, but regardless, we're starting in April 2023. April 2023. So should just be some better conditions in order for me to show my strategy a bit more. Seeing gold at this price is also just fucking crazy, but regardless, price action was always clean 2023 to 2024. I mean, I didn't start trading till 2024, but regardless, from what I've heard, some of the cleanest price action comes from these times. And in order for me to show you guys the strategy like in its form, oh, pardon me, why would I not want to be, showing the cleanest price action available? Anyways, without further ado, we might as well get into it. High time frame, sorry, just jumping up real quick. Clearly bullish. Looking for some downside move, maybe collect these lows before going back up to at least these highs, right? Hourly, oh, hourly's collected those as well. 30-minute, I already got sessions marked out. I think that's the right times for April 5. Yeah, I think so. Anyway, actually, got a little zone here. That's nice. It's a protected low because this swept here into a zone and then reacted really nicely out of it. Break of structure, break of structure. I think the next one would probably be those highs. Alright, so that's a 30. What's a 15? Saying that's a 15. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. It's just potential for now. Up to these highs, let's say that. It's actually really fucking nice trade. Just don't want it to tap during Asia. Okay, more liquidity left. Here. Has induced, that's red. Same inducement here. I really want to take this trade. I just like it a lot. Limit advanced. 1% risk, right? 500. Up to here. A little 1 to 10, 1 to 11-ish. Let's see. Alright, our limit is set. Limit order. Okay, it's actually. Oh. Wait, stops below. We'll go protected lows here. That's my fault for that one. See? We would have been stopped there. That's why you gotta bring it. Be safe. Anyways, let's see how this trade goes. I'm going break even now. Here, we just took those highs. That's why I'm doing it. Honestly, might even pull partial of the position. Partial will do 25% up here at these highs. Collect something. Bang. And we took these highs, which is what I was wanting. Obviously, we didn't take it all the way up to there, but that was a really, really nice trade. Took partials at about a 1 to 4, and full TP was, where was it? Here, these bodies, 1 to 9. Could have gone up to 1 to 10, but is what it is. Stop loss, we adjusted accordingly. The only reason why I do that is because, what's it called? When it's off of a zone like this that has swept and gone up, it'll usually leave a protected low. So this right here is called our protected low. You want your stop loss below there, not at the zone, purely because of this reason. After all of my backtesting and everything, yes, you get more R if you go right below the zone, but if you see lows next to your zone as such here, is where you want to start moving your stop loss below these levels or at these levels, purely because it's a safer bet. Not bet as if we're gambling, but it's just a lot safer to go below a protected low rather than just your zone, because price can always tap below the zone for a few more orders it wants to collect. Anyways, really fucking nice trade, actually. Really, really nice trade. Um, Move this across. Let's delete this, delete that, delete that. That was a nice trade. We'll go label this as our BE/TP1. First trade on a Monday. Valid. We go to the next day, Asia, London, and New York. New York. I feel like it's been a long time since I've, what's it called? Done a backtesting video. I haven't even really been backtesting myself, which I really should be, because at the moment, 2025, where we are now, the market over the last 2 weeks has low-key been so dog shit that it's just not even fun to trade. Anyways, after that push up, we're expecting retracement, right? There's a little bump in the road here. Got our 4-hour demand here. We couldn't even break those highs. We swept those highs. But obviously we're going to end up taking those. I'm just not sure how I feel about a short. So I went back to 2023 for clean price action, and that's what we're getting. It's a bit odd and annoying. I mean, you had this 15, it would have been a 5. I get, and it's not even a 5-minute. It's just messy as fuck. Oh, pardon me. 10-minute, 15. On to the next. I did want that liquidity to be swept though, to be honest. Anyways, we'll figure more and more about this current market. Holy shit, the more we trade it. What the fuck? Well, it definitely took those. Yeah, now we need retracement. Definitely need retracement. Took those highs. You want to at least be taking something like that. I have a feeling it's just going to be chop right here. Just like, what was that? New York opened and bankers decided, yes, everyone is longing. There's barcode right here. Compare to this. And this. That's really huge. This is okay. I'm gonna place it here. 1%. Do we have news? Sorry if just because I don't really want to be doing it on open. If we do, let's see, it's April 5th. Yeah, it's news. No, I don't like that. Let me go balance of trade or whatever the fuck that is. I mean, bias was right. It was going to go up, but mistrade on that one. Is what it is, to be honest. See, like, what the fuck is this? I think we may have just spawned in a shit week for the thingo, but it is what it is, to be honest. I think I might stick to my bias anyway of wanting to go short down to levels like that. We'll see what next day provides, but I just feel like after all of this up movement, we need down, right? Did break those lows. Okay. I just want to see how slow it moves up to our zone first. Stops here, target bodies. These would be 5-minute highs here. For a little bit of inducement. We got our break of structure. And simple draws like, oh sorry, that's previous high. There's just touches here. So like all of this will probably, that's why it's bouncing from this level here at the moment, is because there's highs here. It's resting liquidity from previous areas. That's also a thing that I look at. Go back in time, just look to the left of the chart, how many touches have been in certain areas to see whether you're going to get price bouncing from it or not. This is actually nice. It's an hourly zone as well. It's a 30-minute. It's a 15. You could probably 5's a bit messy, but anyways. Okay, this is good. Just more and more highs for us to take before it comes up. I just want to see maybe another little dip. Perfect. Another one here. I'm going to take this 1%. Initial balance. Okay. Even better. Even better. If you're looking at the 5, look at that. Right before the zone. Final bit of inducement. Oh shit, not that. That's really close. And bang. Clean as fuck trade. Sorry, it's not clean as fuck, but it's a top tick. It's a top tick. That's really fucking nice actually. Already up 10k on the account. That's a 50k. Maybe April is just cleaner. But that was nice. It's textbook. Like we had our zone formed, right? We had our zone formed, came down, obviously broke that internal within our 3-candle formation straight off the bat. Sorry, y'all. Came down, even broke these lows here, and then as we start coming back up to the zone, right, it's just simple. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Sweep, tap in, come here. Obviously it fiddled around here for a little bit, but it is what it is. And then boom, clean delivery down to these lows. Took those, you could target those as well. But that's honestly just a clean trade. Can't complain about that. It was 1 to fucking 13, bro. Could honestly probably, I don't think it's gonna go further down. Yeah, take these out. I mean, all right, let's see. Sorry. Where is it here? All right. The fuck was that? And now we're at Monday open apparently. Friday got dodged. Is that like a bank holiday? I don't know how this works on TradeZella. That's really odd. Anyways, first week of backtesting on the new account. We took two dubs, missed this little position here, but I mean, unpredictable. It was news. Anyways, this was incredibly clean actually. That was a really nice catch. But then this here, it was a high RR, a little bit more risk. I think the previous one was nicer. It aligned more with my strategy. But yeah, I'm gonna need to start posting more and more backtesting content. A lot of people are asking in the Discord when I'm streaming, and also just for my own benefit as well. Like you can never really get too good. So especially with the markets, as soon as you think you're too good, the markets will fucking show you that you're not that good. That's what this week and the previous week have been doing. They're just testing, like, what's it called? Testing people's patience. Like you don't want to be trading in these types of situations that we're in currently, which is when you need to start backtesting. So, anyways, decent video today. Quarter win, two wins, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow for the next week of backtesting.